Hello everyone, we are the Group 5 in Marcom, and this day we are going to present to you the light signal in Morse code. So this group is composed of 5 members. So the 5 members are Dikadit Maputi, me, Dikadit Manggubat, Dikadit Mamak, Dikadit Milano, and Dikadit Martinquilia. So let's start. So let's play a game. We will give the light signal, and you'll guess what Morse code is that. So let's play. So this is the first one. So again, I'll repeat. So that's Morse code alpha. So let's proceed to the other one. Again, I'll repeat. And that's Morse code Bravo. So let's proceed to the next one. So again, I'll repeat. So that's Morse code Charlie. And then let's proceed to the other one. I repeat. So that's Morse code Delta. And last one for my Morse code light is this one. It's very easy. I repeat. And that's Morse code Echo. So the next 5 light more signal will be presented to you by Dikadit Manggubat. Roll on.
Foxtrot, Golf, Hotel, India, Juliet,
Let me show you the Morse code signals. So first is kilo. So kilo is I wish to communicate. So this is the Morse code. Dash, dot, dash. So I'll repeat. Dash, dot, dash. So and the second one is lima. So lima is stop your vessel. So lima Morse code is this dash, dot, dash, dot, dot. So I repeat, dot, dash, dot, dot. So that's lima. So and the third one is mic. So mic is my visual is stop. So the Morse code signal is dash, dash. So I repeat, dash, dash. So and November. So November is no. So and the Morse code signal is dash dot. I'll repeat dash dot. So and the last one is Oscar. So Oscar is a man overboard. So this is the Morse code signal of Oscar. So dash dash dash. That's all. Thank you.
So I'm the Cadet Milano and this is my 5 lights Morse code signals. And first one is P for Papa, and the Morse code signals is dot dash dash dot, and I repeat dot dash dash dot. And the next one is Q for cubic, and the Morse code signals is dash dash dot dash. I repeat dash dash dot dash. And the next one is R for Romeo, and the Morse code signals is dot dash dot, and I repeat dot dash dot. And the next one is S for Sierra, and the Morse code signals is dot dot dot, and I repeat dot dot dot. And the last one is T for Tango, and the Morse code signal is dash, and I repeat dash. Okay, so thank you.
5 lights Morse code signals, and this is the first one. Okay, I repeat. That's a uniform. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, I repeat. That's a vector. And this is the third one. Okay, I repeat. That's a whiskey. And this is the fourth one. Okay, I repeat. And that's a X-ray, and this is the last one. Okay, I repeat. That's a Yankee. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.